Cold and flu season is just about here. There are new vaccines for COVID and monkeypox. So this time of year, you may have some questions you'd like to ask a doctor, and that is not always easy.
But a new podcast from Rush University Medical Center is changing that. Anthony Ponce checks it out in tonight's special report.
If I miss my blood pressure medicine, will it affect me?
What are the things that you should be proactively doing to stay out in front of maybe just health and wellness?
I would talk to my doctor about nutrition and kind of what I'm putting in my body and how that affects everything else.
Those are just some of the burning health questions on our minds today. Questions we'd like some answers to, but don't always have someone we can ask.
I've read up on some stuff on Google, and of course that's not the best place.
This is where having a doctor friend comes in handy. And if you think you don't have one, think again.
We want to be your doctor friends.
Doctors Julia Bruni and Jeremy Allen want to answer your questions. Both are sports medicine doctors with Midwest Orthopedics at Rush Medical Center. When they are not busy treating some of Chicago's top professional athletes, they host a podcast where you can ask your questions to your doctor friends.
We're going to answer the question today, how do I know if my heart is healthy enough to exercise? All right, Dr. Rao, you ready?
I am ready.
The core of the podcast is bringing on good people to talk about questions that people care about.
Despite specializing in sports medicine, their show covers just about any medical topic.
We have an episode coming up about contraceptive choices. We have ones about men's health. We have about pelvic floor dysfunction. We have about monkeypox.
Allen and Bruni launched their weekly podcast just a few months ago with the goal of helping you cut through some of the health misinformation that's out there and to empower you when making your own healthcare decisions.
People are curious and they don't always have easy access, right? It's hard to get access to doctors.
We created it because we saw a need in not only our patients, but our family and friends, looking for sort of an approachable way to get answers to some common questions.
And you can find your Dr. Friends podcast on most streaming platforms.